Most traders lose money because they enter when price is already reaching the danger zone. They see price pushing back up, they think the market is becoming bullish again, and they buy straight into resistance. But with the BYBT strategy, I am not trying to chase every move. I am waiting for price to return to a clean level, reject that level, and give me confirmation. Today I am breaking down this setup using support, resistance, trend movement, retest, rejection, and risk management. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. First, I start with the main structure. Price pushed up into the higher resistance area around the top of the chart. That level rejected strongly. When price reacts from resistance with strong selling pressure, I do not ignore it. That tells me sellers are active from that area. After the rejection, price made the first bearish move. This is what I mark as the first trend movement. The market moved away from resistance and broke down into the next area. But one bearish push is not enough for me to enter late. I do not sell at the bottom after the move has already happened. I wait for price to come back. This is where the retest becomes important. After the first move down, price pulled back into the old broken area. That area was acting like support before, but after price broke below it, I now watch it as possible resistance. This is one of the cleanest price action lessons. Broken support can become resistance. But I still do not enter just because price touches the level. Touching the level is not confirmation. I need to see how price reacts there. On this chart, price came back into the purple retest zone. It pushed into the level, slowed down, and then started rejecting. That rejection is the first sign that buyers are losing strength at the same area where sellers may return. Now the setup becomes clearer. We have a higher resistance that caused the first sell-off. We have a broken support area that price came back to retest. We have rejection at the retest zone. And we have a possible sell idea if price confirms below the level. This is the BYBT way. I'm not selling because I feel the market should drop. I am selling only if the chart gives me the structure and confirmation. Before any entry, I need three things clear. Where is my entry? Where is my stop loss? And where is my target? For this setup, the entry idea comes after the retest rejects and price starts moving away from the resistance zone. The stop loss belongs above the retest area, because if price breaks above that zone and holds, the sell idea becomes weak. That is the invalidation. If price closes strongly above the retest zone, I do not force the sell. I step back and wait for the next clean setup. The target is the next support area below price. On this chart, the next major support is marked near the lower yellow level. That gives the trade a clean reason to exist. I'm not just entering randomly. I am trading from resistance back towards support. This is why the retest is so important. Without the retest, the trader is usually chasing. With the retest, the trader has a cleaner entry area, a clearer invalidation point, and a clearer target. Now here is the full model. Price rejected from higher resistance. Sellers created the first bearish move. Price broke below the middle area. That broken area became the retest zone. Price came back into the zone. The zone rejected. Now I wait for confirmation before entry. If confirmation holds, the sell idea targets the next support. If the retest zone breaks above, the setup is invalid. That is how I read this chart using BYBT price action. Do not buy straight into resistance. Do not sell after the move is already finished. Wait for the retest. Wait for rejection. Wait for confirmation. Then manage the risk. If you want to learn the full BYBT strategy, check the one-on-one private mentorship link in the description. You can also get the BYBT trading ebook on our website at forexhash.com. Follow for more BYBT price action breakdowns and clean Forex entry lessons.